What's up everybody? Before getting into the video, I quickly wanted to tell you that I am launching today, my own premium group. Alright, it's way more accessible than only the trading signals. Trading signals are still there, so if you want my own trades with the entry, stop loss, take profit, you can also do that via the links down in the description. But now there's also an amazing new premium group which adds a lot of value. If you want to become a better trader, investor, everything, this will give you an edge. Alright, you can check out via the links down in the description what you'll get with it. It has a lot of value. Check it out. If you want to join, you can do that via the links as well. For now, let's get into the video. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a new video on Pepe. Wanted to do an update on that because I felt like the market structure right now is actually pretty interesting. And I know quite a lot of you trade it, quite a lot of you hold it. It has, of course, moved a lot in the last 2 weeks. So I just wanted to do an update on that. Give you my thoughts as to whether it's going to crash soon, because we are seeing some bearish momentum, which you can also see with my with the trend line, which indicates that. But in the end, we're still up since the 19th of October, about 78%. So Pepe definitely is not bearish, but is it really bullish anymore? I don't know. We'll talk about that. All right, so let's get right into it. Today is going to be a volatile day, by the way. We're going to have a lot of economic events. So we all know, if I can look up Pepe real quick, we all know Pepe is quite correlated with Bitcoin. Not that much in the last 7 days, but the last 30 days, it's for 0.93. So for 93%. So Pepe does react a lot to Bitcoin. All right, so if Bitcoin all of a sudden crashes today or rallies, Pepe will just follow that, and it will most likely have been because of the news. But if we focus on Pepe specifically, it's actually pretty neutral. Like the open interest and the volume have basically, like the open interest has been the same since last week, and the volume has basically been the same since Saturday. So that's pretty neutral. And then the situation technically for Pepe is a bit bearish. Like we are making some lower lows and even lower highs, if you know what I mean. All right, so the market structure really is a bit like this. And this could be two things. Like this could be a bullish flag, so that after this Pepe will rally up higher towards 14,500 and 15,000 up here, which I always name the prices as. Or this could be the start of a collapse. And that does make it a bit difficult for me, all right? Because then, I could see both scenarios, really, like truly both scenarios are a possibility. Now, so then we have to, I have to kind of do some heavy predicting without enough analysis. If you zoom out, what you'll see is that there is not that much liquidity at all for Pepe. Most of the liquidity is up here. All right, so if Pepe really wants to grab that liquidity, it should go up here. But like I said, purely technically, it looks most likely that Pepe will drop down towards this level right here at 10,000. And if it drops down there, I think that's enough bearish confirmation to assume even a drop down to 9,000. And then the market structure for Pepe is just bearish. So I think because it's so neutral and because it's difficult to predict, I think what we have to say is that Pepe right now really is stuck between 10,500 and this level right here at 12,000. I think this is the best way to analyze Pepe, all right? Because I cannot have a clear bias on whether I expect it to be bullish or bearish. That would be unresponsible because I really don't have one. But the thing is that what we will see probably in the next 24 hours, or at least in this week, is that Pepe will either break above 12,000, after which it will continue rallying up to 13,500, and it will have a big chance of hitting 14,500 and 15,000. So that's one scenario. That's the bullish scenario, the breakout above 12,000, also grabbing that liquidity. Or Pepe drops down below its current support at 10,500, major bearish breakout, confirmation of the bearish market structure, and it will drop back down to 9,000. It's one of those two scenarios, guys. We'll just have to wait for confirmation. I'm sorry. Like, I know a lot of you will tell me, you're just telling me it's going to go up or down, which is true, because that's the truth. All right. So you have to wait for that confirmation, for that breakout, and then you'll know more. So there is value in this. Hopefully you can get that. I think most of you do. But for now, that's my take on Pepe. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.